Encanto Falls, nestled in the heart of Libmanan, Camarines Sur, is a breathtaking natural wonder that captivates all who visit. This enchanting waterfall is a true testament to the untouched beauty of the Philippines, offering a serene environment that invites relaxation and adventure. As you approach the falls, you'll be greeted by the soothing sound of water cascading over rocky cliffs, surrounded by vibrant greenery and diverse flora. The crystal-clear waters create the perfect setting for a refreshing swim or a tranquil moment of reflection on the rocky banks. The area around Encanto Falls is not only visually stunning but also rich in local culture and history. The falls and surrounding vegetation help regulate the local water cycle, maintaining water quality and availability for both wildlife and human communities. The name Encanto resonates with tales of mystical beings and folklore that have been passed down through generations. These stories enrich the experience of visiting the falls as they connect the natural landscape to the cultural identity of the people who call this area home. Encanto Falls serves as a gathering place for locals, where traditions are celebrated and community bonds are strengthened, showcasing the profound relationship between nature and culture. As we explore and appreciate such natural wonders, we are reminded of the importance of conservation and the need to protect these irreplaceable treasures. Encanto Falls stands as a beacon of inspiration, inviting all who visit to cherish the natural world and the stories it holds.
Good afternoon po, kami po ay student from CBCA Sipoot. Nandito po kami para mag-study sa environmental science about sa history and importance ng Encanto Falls. Good afternoon po again, I'm Bon Brian M. Rigroso.
I'm Charlie Minyosa.
I am Hiner Buban.
I am Ryan Christian Ray.
Kami po ay BSIT major in automotive 2H po. And interviewin po namin si Nanay Wilma Chavez.
Unang tanong po, ma'am, kailan po na-discover ang Encanto Falls?
Mga 1999.
Tanong po kapag po Encanto Falls.
Yan kaya, kapag halimbawa sulo-sulo ka dyan na nagpaparigos, yung tahimik na maray ang lugar na yan, parang may madadangog ka ng mga nagkakarawat na aki. Gigirabuhan ka.
Pinapod na Encanto.
Kaya yan inaapod ng Encanto.
And next po is, what are the threats of Encanto Falls? Or ano po ang nakakasira sa Encanto Falls? Ano po yung mga nakakasira po sa kanya daw?
Araw kayo ng mga nagpapararigos ngunyan, mairinom, aarapon ang mga basura, maparasa ng buti. Yan ang primerong nakakasira ng Encanto.
Tapos po, yung kuwari po, sa mga pagputol po ng kahoy na nasisira din po ba ang
Siyempre.
Next question po tayo. Is the water consumable po in the Encanto Falls? Kumbaga po sa Tagalog, kung nakukusong po ba ng tao, kung naiinuman po ba o naliliguan lang?
Iba dyan naiinuman, may ano dyan, may bubon dyan, malinig ang tubig dyan.
Bukod sa napapaliguan po na po, naiinuman din po.
Oo, may naiinuman dyan.
Ganyan po, yung pagkakarigosan po dyan sa baba, naiinuman po yan.
Ay, ito lang bubon.
May bubon po dyan.
Sige po.
May bubon lang.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Salamat.